virtual and in-class folks, please listen up. For the virtual folks, thank you for coming out yesterday and picking up packets. Part of what I'm going to do this morning is to discuss with y'all how the process is going to work with the packets. For those of you that are in the classroom, this is what's going to end up happening. You are going to get in a few minutes the beginning of your packet. It is going to include 4 envelopes. That will be the handwriting analysis. Now, I will drop onto Canvas in a couple of minutes in a new module, and I will put it out on Canvas what it is called. It will be your instructions for your handwriting analysis, along with a place to submit the analysis. And what you're going to do, a couple of weeks back, you remember, y'all actually did the analysis of your handwriting. Well, what you're going to do with this packet, you're getting 4 letters. You are going to analyze each one of those letters. Look at characteristics, look at the way people write it. Don't worry about, and I got tickled at first period because, well, Mr. Nelms, I don't read cursive writing real well. I'm not worried about you reading it as such, but look at the way it is written. Look at the characteristics. Look at the way they do their letters. Look at the way they slant their letters and things like that, the way they make their numbers. Those are the things that you're going to be looking at. You are also going to have in that, on Canvas, the link to the handwriting analysis worksheet. So you got an exemplar letter. You will have a worksheet that goes with it. I give you directions on how to save the worksheet so that I know who's doing the work and what the exemplar letter is. You have a physical copy of the letter. You can make notes on that letter. You can circle things, look at characteristics of letters, how they slant things, make notes on there. Also take notes on your worksheet. You are going to submit all 4 of your worksheets and all 4 of your exemplar letters at one time. You will take a you will make a picture of your letter, save your handwriting analysis as a PDF, and all of those will be submitted at once. Then, once you've done that, for folks that are on virtual, I will email you your ransom note. Then you will take that ransom note, and if you need to print it, print it. An option would be it's going to be saved in a PDF, so you could upload it into IBIS Paint and actually do your markings with the IBIS Paint as you're doing your analysis. You will also do another worksheet with that one. So then you will tell me when you are finished with the ransom note, which one of your 4 exemplar suspects wrote the ransom note. Now you're going to get 2 grades out of this. So this is going to kind of help y'all out too. You're going to get a grade for the handwriting analysis of the original 4. You'll get a grade for the ransom note. Now, just so you'll know, I end up having about 16 or 18 administrators and teachers who offered their handwriting for this project. So we've got a lot of suspects out there. Not everybody is going to have the same suspects. Not everybody is going to have the same exemplars. So there's a lot of things that are floating out there for y'all. Work on it. Yeah, ask questions, email me, say we need to get on a Google, whatever. I will be available to help out with this. Now, it will be due on Monday. And then once you've done that, you will get the ransom note. The ransom note will be due on Wednesday. Now, to explain everything else that is in y'all's packet that y'all picked up yesterday and to tell y'all here what's going on here, you will be getting in your coin envelopes that y'all got yesterday. You got samples of material. Y'all will get samples of material. Y'all will analyze the threads of that material. Then you will get a crime scene thread. Now, folks, understand your packets, your little coin packets, you got material in each one of those. But the crime scene itself, you've just got a thread. That's all you've got. You have to match that thread to the one of the 3 samples of material that you've got there in your possession. So that's going to be the second activity that you're going to be doing. The next thing, you got a balloon and also a marker. I'm going to put a video out there. What you're going to do, you're going to paint your a fingerprint. You're going to put the fingerprint to the balloon. You're going to blow the balloon up about this big, and then you're going to do analysis after we've gone through the video or after we've done the PowerPoint, looking at different features of fingerprints, looking at minutia, the loops, the whorls, and the arcs. So those are some things. That's probably going to be the last one that we do, because we've already gone through fiber analysis when we did trace evidence. We've already done handwriting analysis. We also, in your packet, is blood spatter. And we talked, we went through that PowerPoint too. I will give y'all very specific instructions on how to process all of that. Do this one at a time as I assign it, because these are things that will tie into what you have already been looking at. Here in the classroom, you will get your material as we get to that. Now, I've got the packets over here. I'll hand out in a little bit. All it has in there is just your envelopes for the handwriting analysis. Like I said, in a couple of minutes, I will have the Canvas out there ready for you. I will also put on Canvas what the name of the module is that you're going to be working with. And so you've got those things going. Any questions from y'all at home, or any questions from in here? Okay, I will take that as a no at this point. All right. If anybody has any questions, any concerns, obviously email me. I will post the video of this because I am recording it right now. I will post the video of it to Canvas. Actually, I just learned that I can post this, pull it up to YouTube, so there will be a YouTube link out there soon. So if anybody has anything or they want to go review this again, you can go see the video. Other than that, let me do attendance real quick. Okay, I've got attendance. Thank you for coming, and we will have, y'all have a good day. This is cool.